Through this four-step process, each employee creates their own development plan. The ninth edition of the textbook provided an excellent template shown here. Usually, they work with their supervisors, mentors, coaches, and even trainers to create these plans. While the content in these plans varies, they usually include the employee's strengths, weaknesses, SMART development goals, and their action plan. You can see in the template there's also a space for both the employee and the supervisor to sign the document. The signing of a development plan is important. It creates not only a physical contract, but it also creates a psychological contract between the employee and the manager, the employer. Keep this template and use it to help you structure your own development plan, as well as those of the employees that you will work with in the future.